How to create an abstract rotating sun effect in DaVinci Resolve 20. Inside your project's Edit window, go to Effects. Underneath Toolbox, select Effects. Go to Add a Fusion Composition clip to your timeline. Right-click on your Fusion Composition clip and go to Open in Fusion Page. Inside the Fusion Nodes panel, hold and Shift and press Space. Use the search box at the bottom of the Select Tool window to find the S* node. Select this and go to click on Add. Select either left or right view underneath this new node to see a preview of the star shape above the Fusion timeline. With the node selected, go to Inspector and underneath Controls, change points from 6 to 20. To stretch the sun rays out further, decrease depth to 0.2. To position the center of the sun at the bottom middle section of your canvas, decrease the value for Y offset. Here I will decrease this to -0.285. Increase the values for both height and width. Here I will change both of these to 1.5. Ensure that you are positioned at the first frame on your timeline, which is also indicated by the red playback marker. Select the keyframe diamond icon for angle. We will use this property to create the slow rotation effect. Go to the last frame on your Fusion timeline, here in this case frame 119, and increase angle to 18 to make the sun rotate anti-clockwise. Set angle to -18 instead if you wish for the rotation to occur in a clockwise fashion. Ensure that the horizontally aligned sun rays appear straight at the bottom of your canvas to ensure a consistent flow of your animation effect. Increase the value for angle at the second keyframe if you wish for the speed of the rotation to be faster. Here in this example I've doubled from my original value from 18 to 36. Here though in this example project I will stick with my original value of 18. At present the default length of this Fusion composition clip is 5 seconds. If you wish for your animation to continue for a longer duration, select Spline, tick in the box next to S*1 and drag the two grey circular cursors at the top of your spline graph towards the left to zoom out to see a representation of where you have applied the keyframes to the angle property. Click and drag your mouse cursor over these to select both nodes, and go to click on Set Loop below, so that the rotation continues if you extend the length of your clip. Click on Spline again to close this window. To change the colour of your sun, select Style, double click on the box next to Colour. Here I will use a vibrant yellow preset shade with the hexadecimal code #FFFF00 to colour in the sun. Click OK once you're done. With S*1 still selected, hold and Shift and press Space, and go to add an S-Render tool so that DaVinci Resolve can process this star shape and the animation effect. Deselect S-Render 1, click on the background icon above the nodes panel to insert one of these tools. With background 1 selected, go to Inspector and underneath Colour, double click on the box next to Colour to choose a solid colour fill for the background behind the sun. Here in this example I will select one of the preset dark blue shades with the code #00007F. Click OK. If you wish to apply multiple colour shades and gradients to your background, change the type before selecting the colours. With background 1 still selected, go to Add a Merge tool, which should be automatically connected via the yellow background arrow. Click on the grey box alongside S-Render 1 and drag your mouse cursor to the green arrow alongside Merge 1, which represents the foreground, so that the sun appears in front of your background. Now connect Merge 1 to Media Out 1, selecting the left or right view window underneath this to see a preview of your final effect. To change the duration of your clip, return to the Edit window. Using the Selection Mode tool, which you can also do by pressing A, click on the end of the clip and drag your mouse cursor, keeping an eye on the change in duration at the top and the overall duration at the bottom of the window which appears next to your mouse cursor. Here in this example I will increment the duration of the clip by 7 seconds to 12 overall. Let go of your mouse once you're done. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.